Man, I sprayed that stuff on me. I smelled like a flippin' porta-john. I was disgusted. Hey guys, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here we are unboxing our Boxycharm by Ipsy PR and the Glambag bag by Ipsy PR. We're gonna see how they are faring. I don't know the word. I'm a little rusty, I feel like. I'm coming off of Memorial Day holiday. But we're gonna unbox these. If you are new to the channel, welcome to the Hot Mess Express. Join us, the Hot Mess crew, on unboxing subscriptions, playing and makeup. I'm trying to be better about doing more shorts and reels and TikToks, so make sure you're following me on my other socials. TikTok and Instagram is at HOTMESS MOMMA 4. Brain fart. You guys, I can't get over my lippity lips. This is a new collection, the eyes and the lips from OFRA Cosmetics. I have been so behind on everything. I sat down, I filmed a reel, I have to edit and everything, but you guys, she did such a great job. Such a great job. Cooking with Omri, I think, or Ami. I'm so sorry, but I'm in love. So I'm gonna have it linked down below. Definitely check it out. I'm also gonna have a link for Ipsy and Boxycharm by Ipsy down below. Those are going to be affiliates, so thank you guys so much if you decide to sign up using those links or purchase anything. I appreciate it. I do want to give a big old shout out to my YouTube members. Thank you guys so much coming back each and every single month and helping to support the channel. I greatly appreciate it. For those of you that are clicking the thanks button and tipping and donating to the channel, thank you guys so much too. And for those of you that are coming back, chatting with your girl and sharing my videos over on Facebook, I appreciate that. I mean, it's awesome because then we have new friends that, you know, join the fam bam. So anyways, let's go ahead and start off with our Glambag. This is about $16 a month. They are deluxe size samples. You do get to customize, one item out of the bag, and there's typically about 5 items in total. So you pick one and then they pick the other 4. Sorry, I got some sort of stickiness on me. All right, this is the bag. It literally reminds me of like a scuba suit or something, the way it feels. You guys know I'm a texture girl, but I think this is so cute. June, birth month, June 8th, baby, Gemini, yeah. Who are my Geminis out here? And who has a matching birthday? I love to see my birthday twin. Okay, so the first item is actually in the bag, and we do have a card in here. Ooh. So sunny days ahead. This month we're delivering everything you need for a sun-kissed glow all summer long. So you may see some benefits, slay the sun-kissed look, First Aid Beauty Glow Glitter Essentials, and Embrace Your Natural Beauty by Yensa. All right, and then coming this July, did you guys see the sneaky peeky of the Kayali perfumes? I am so flippin' excited. If you guys don't know, I love the Kayali perfumes. Tina, girl, you actually got me loving the Kayali perfumes. We started off with the Yum Pistachio, then it moved into the apples, and oh my gosh, Haley actually, for her wedding day, picked out one of my Kayali perfumes. It's the gold bottle. It's so like expensive smelling, and she got so many compliments. I love the Kayali perfumes, guys. I need them duped because they're expensive, but if they come to Ipsy, I need to see that happen. Okay, so anyways, let's go ahead and unbox this first item that was just chilling in the bag. This is the Formula Glamgasm Pro Artistry Face and Eye Palette. Oh, what is that brand? Years ago, we're talking 2018, 2019, they had like a circular pan palette like this, only it was bigger. This is interesting. First off, I'm like, why are you so spaced out? I mean, the shades are pretty. I mean, hello, neutral queen lover here. I mean, I could definitely work with these. But for me, it just kind of boggles my ADHD brain. Almost like, but I will say that is something cool to receive. Like, you got a full palette here. And I mean, some of the shades you could definitely use on your face as well as your eyes. So yeah, that's pretty. Now, I don't know how I feel about, I don't like the component. I'll be 100 with you guys. I don't like that, but it doesn't matter just because I don't like it. And that's my opinion. The Frank Body Rose Hip Body Scrub Cleanser. It's a 2-in-1 melting Oh, it smells good. Body scrub with exfoliating sugars and smoothing rosehip oil. So we've seen this brand in Boxycharm, Ipsy's for a hot doggone minute. So it's kind of nice to see them again. Plus, if the insides smell like this outside, it's gonna smell nice. And it's a nice little travel-friendly size, which is always great. All right, next in here is this cutie little box. It's Plush Tint by Benefit. Ooh, okay, it's a moisturizing matte lip tint. And it's so tiny. That is so cute. 02 Cream Puff is the shade. Now, obviously, I've got lippy sticky on. So, oh, how precious is that? So I guess this is part of what we saw on the card. Oh, I don't smell anything. Oh, okay, I like that. It's literally just a hint of a tint of a neutral color. And it felt nice and comfortable, so that's good. And this is such a cute little, throw it in your purse. I would probably lose it, but most people are more organized, you know. All right, next in here we've got the Innisfree Green Tea Enzyme Vitamin C Brightening Serum. Another little cutesy. I mean, we know it's travel sizes, Rhonda. I've never tried that. Actually, I don't think I've ever tried any of their products. I think they're at Sephora. If you guys have tried this, let me know. Ooh, you can see the little vitamin C bubble beads in there. That's cutesy. So that is the next item. You may be able to pick some of these items, which, don't forget, I think it starts June 1st or 2nd or something. That's when we get in there and make our choices. Shout out to those of you keeping it real, going over to Jotty so Jotty can remind your girl to make her choices. I appreciate y'all having my back. All right, last in here, we've got the Wonder Ceramide Mochi Toner by Tony Moly. That sounds really cute. I've never tried this before, but it does have, it does have artificial fragrance, synthetic colors, and animal-based ingredients, and and then I scrolled over, or turned it. It says 0. Oh, that's good, because I really don't want any of that. But it is a ceramide that is nourishing and moisturizing, multi-use toner for a bouncy, mochi-like skin. Mochi. Anyways, if you're new to the channel, welcome to the weirdness. Welcome to the weirdness. Okay, so that is everything in our Ipsy Glambag. Again, that's going to run you about $16. You get to choose one of the items. If you do remember to make your choices, which I think those choices are earlier in the month. If that's the case, I did in fact forget. You guys really aren't on it, are you? Okay, I'm just playing. All right, next let's move into our Boxycharm by Ipsy. Don't let just saying Ipsy fool you. There it is. I knew it was somewhere. There it is. So this is now like $36. Yeah, it is in fact 5 full-size items, and you do in fact get to choose 3 out of 5 items. Here are some of the choices that you may find this month. Ooh, we got a little pamphlet in here. I feel like I don't get a pamphlet in my PR typically. All right, so once again, we're seeing Slay the Kissed Look, and we are seeing the Ultra Repair by First Aid Beauty. We're seeing a bunch of stuff. Okay. Ooh, I feel like we have not seen Glow Recipe in our boxes in a long doggone time. The Avocado Ceramide Moisture Barrier Cleanser. I will tell you guys, I really do love the Glow Recipe. Currently I'm using, I think it's the Plum Plump one with the niacinamide and the hyaluronic acid and all that. I'm using that one currently, and I really love it. Next in here, the Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer with Sunscreen SPF 30. This is from First Aid Beauty. I really do like the First Aid Beauty products. And this is a zinc oxide, so that's nice. This is good for sensitive skin, so I will definitely be giving this to one of my children. All right, next in here we've got the I Defy Half Cake, is this a liner, Zero Gravity Mascara. You know, I think we've gotten their mascara before, and I can't say that I've used it yet. Listen, I've been working on these puppies, all right? I've been using some of that Babe Lash. Yeah. So I got me some lashes now, so I've been playing around with mascara again. Who flippin' smells the mascara? Me. I will say I really like this wand. Kind of reminds me of the L'Oreal Paris or the Hourglass wand. So we'll try it. I am very particular when it comes to my mascaras. Nobody cares, but I don't like it too like wet. I want it to almost be dry. All right, next in here we've got the Lifestyle Co. Eggland. Oh, it's a perfume. Here I am bashing everything around. Honestly, I like getting perfumes. I really would like to see some Kaola. Oh, shoot. Didn't break, that's good. Okay, I think it's gonna smell okay, but I have PTSD. There was one that I got as a sample for Sephora. I do talk a lot, Queen Talk a lot here. You chose to click on a channel that started with Hot Mess, okay? Be nice. It's Gemini season. It's almost my birthday month. Anyways, there was a perfume sample in my Sephora and it sounded luxe, sounded amazing. Man, I sprayed that stuff on me. I smelled like a flippin' porta-john. I was disgusted with myself. It was not good. Okay, this reminds me of Herbal Essence, early 1990s. Orange shampoo and conditioner. And I like that. Please mess with my oils because I will cry if I smell like a porta-john. Alright. Dude, I kid you not. Dude, yeah. No, this literally, was it called Herbal Essence? It was before they got fancy. It was in like their basic bottles that, it was the 90s, but it looked like it was from probably the 70s or 80s. Y'all know what I'm talking about? Yeah, that's what that, I like that. It's really nice and clean. I like that a lot. So here is the brand. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I honestly, if this was a choice and I remember to make my picks here in a couple days, I will in fact pick that and put that right into my purse. Next in here, we've got another product from Trust Fund Beauty. I feel like we keep seeing them in everything. The Lipgasm Lipstick Birthday Suit. So this better be a nude. I do like the component. There's just something about getting components that, you know, you whip them out and it's like, hold on. I feel like this is really gonna wash me out. So I'm not gonna swatch this because of that. So I'll see if Haley wants this one. I mean, it's a pretty color, but it's like the color of my skin. So I think I'm gonna look like a zombie or something. I just don't think it's gonna work out. Anyways, that's everything that you may see for your choices for your Boxycharm by Ipsy. Perfume is a huge standout and probably the Glow Recipe product for sure. I will keep you guys posted on the mascara. Haley definitely will be getting the lipstick, and of course I already know I like First Aid Beauty products. They're great, like it says, for sensitive skin. So what do you think you'll be picking? Always curious to know what you guys think. Feel free to share this video over on Facebook, and thank you guys so much if you do. Check me out on my other channels, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs for Curvy Girl Fashion Hauls, and of course Hot Mess in the House, TikTok and Instagram at Hot Mess Mama, for an Unconditional Hot Mess podcast with my oldest Haley. And you guys, if you want to sign up, you're interested in trying it out or what have you, I will have a little link down below for you guys. And again, thank you if you do pick it up. I'm going to try and remember to link the brand new collab with OFRA Cosmetics because I am living for especially this lip look, which I know is surprising you guys, right? I know, it shocked me too, but I really like it. I feel like it's just so beauteous. Like the eyeballs, everything. She did a really good job. Anyways, don't forget code HOTMESS will save you that 20% over at OFRA Cosmetics if you are interested. Everything will be linked and listed. Thank you to Ipsy for sending this over my way. I greatly appreciate it. And until next time, friends, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.